fucker. Yes, it's true. Nobody fucks uncles quite like you.
Look your face, Uncle Fucker. You're the one that fucked your uncle, Uncle Fucker. You don't eat or sleep or mow the lawn. You just fuck your uncle all day long.
What's going on here?
What's garbage?
Well, what do you expect? They're Canadian.
They're Canadian.
Okay, children, let's take our seats. We have a lot to learn today. We sure do, Mr. Hayet. Okay, children, let's start the day with a few new math problems. What is 5 times 2? Come on, children, don't be shy. Just give it your best shot.
Shut up, fat boy. Hey, don't call me fat, you fucking Jew.
Eric, did you just say the F word?
Jew? No, he's talking about fuck. You can't say fuck in school, you fucking fat ass.
Kyle!
Why the fuck not?
Eric!
Dude, you just said fuck again.
Stanley!
Who?
Kenny!
What's the big deal?
How would you like to go see the school counselor?
How would you like to suck my balls?
What did you say?
I'm sorry. Actually, what I said was... How would you like to suck my balls?
Can't say that on TV.
Now Terrence smells like my ass. I farted once on the set of Blue Lagoon.
So guys, does it make you nervous to be in America? There are a lot